Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a family on Steam. So all you have to do is launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account. And now from here, all you have to do is click on the Steam option in the top left corner and select settings. Now within the settings, all you have to do is find the family option, click on that and select create or join a Steam family. Choose that. And now from here, you should see a brief description of what the Steam family is all about. As you see, Steam families allow you to share your Steam games with up to 5 other household members and manage parental controls for children in that family. Now, if you want to create a Steam family, all you have to do is create a family. But if you'd like to join a Steam family, all you have to do is click on join. And if you have an existing email, or rather, if you have an existing invite, you should click on it and that you should join that particular family. Now, since we are creating a family, all you have to do is select create a family and then type in the family name and then click on create. And then you should see your family has been created. Now at this point, you can add people to your family. So all you have to do is simply click on the invite a member. And then you should use the friend list. If you have a lot of friends, you can use the search friend list and find the particular friend you'd like to add to a family. Or you can see this option, suggested users. You can see the users who the Steam application suggests for you to add in that particular family. So I'll just click one. And then from here, you should see these two options. You can either invite as an adult or you can invite as a child. So if you choose invite as a child, they'll have limited access to the Steam store and the library. So we recommend to invite as an adult so they can have access to everything. So click on that. And then you should see this confirmation invite. So confirm that you'd like to invite this user to your Steam family. Click on invite. And that will add that particular user. So once they accept the invite, they will be added to that particular family. Now you can also click on library and see all the games that you can play together in the family. And keep in mind that only 2 people can play one game at a time. So if you're like 6 people, only 2 people can play each game. 2 people can play one game at the same time. So that's basically it on how to create a family or how to join a family on Steam. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.